In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy FortiClient VPN. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I'll begin this video by downloading FortiClient VPN executable installation files, and for that I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the FortiClient VPN download page. Let's reject all here and then scroll down a bit, and here I will be downloading the FortiClient VPN. I will click on download VPN for Windows, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And now I will right click on the executable, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. And for now I will be placing the executable to my desktop because I will not use this executable for my package, because this is not the installation file, but it's a downloader for the installation files. And to download the installation files, I will double click on the executable, click yes here, and now wait for it to download the installation files. And as you can see, after downloading the installation file, the downloader executed the installation, and now we can grab the installation files from our temp folder. And for that, I will go to my File Explorer. Then I will go to this PC, local disk drive, users, my admin user, and now we need to go to app data folder. Because we don't see it here, we can click here and then add it manually, app data. Now we need to go to local, temp, and we're looking for a similar folder to this one. Let's go inside of it. Let's go inside of this one. And here we can see an MSI file. I will right click on it, and then I will copy it. And then I will go to my file server because I will be placing the MSI file to a network location that is accessible to my users and computers. And for that I will click here. I will enter my file server name, SRV02, software share. Here I will create another folder. I will name it FortiClient. I will go inside of it and I will place the MSI file into this folder. And now we can close the installation for FortiClient. So I will open this window and select cancel. And yes, and finish. And now we can start creating our package. So for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on packages, select a new package. I will name the package FortiClient. Then let's click on steps, install. Here we need to provide our installation file. So I will click on the button right here. Go to my file server once again, SRV02, software share, FortiClient folder, and select the executable. And because we are using an MSI file, we don't need to provide any other values. So we can save the package and close this window. And now we can test this package by deploying it to a few of my clients. And for that, I will click on deploy here, deploy once. I will select my targets by clicking on the button choose targets, Active Directory, computers. Here I will select my client 01 and client 02, and then I will click on the button right here. They appeared in this window right here, and now we can click OK and deploy now. And now we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, that deployment is over, and it says that it was successful for both of my clients. But we can double check by going to client 01 that I have here. We can see that we have FortiClient VPN desktop shortcut. I will double click on it. And now I will select this checkbox. And there should be a button in the bottom of this window, but I don't see it because of my DPI settings. And because of that, I will press tab on my keyboard. And as you can see, it appeared here. So I will press on it. And it seems that FortiClient VPN seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.